Hey guys, this is Rudy Stankiewicz with Aquatic Facility Training and Consultants, also with the Talking Pools podcast. If you guys aren't listening to us, you can check us out on Apple Podcasts, also on Spotify, everywhere actually where podcasts are found. I got another package today, excited about it. I want to check it out. I want to show you guys what it is. And I have to be honest with you. I got 2 boxes. I didn't know that the other was sent from the same place. Actually, there was no label on it, so I opened it. I couldn't tell if it was something that I had ordered or what. The first thing was this really nice duffel bag. Got a handle, pull-out handle, wheels, pretty cool. It's got the Vac Daddy name on it. All right. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, first and foremost, I don't like the name. But that doesn't mean it's not a great product. I have no idea. But they also sent me this, so I want to check that out too. I've not opened this up yet, but I do want to see what's inside because I'm all about portable vacs, and I don't honestly have to like the name for it to be a good product. So first thing I get to right in the top of the box is the manual. If this thing has a quick guide, that's huge. I don't know. Owner's manual, instructions in Spanish as well, parts and assembly. I mean, it looks pretty cut and dry, the way this thing is going to operate and go together, right? Floating cord, power supply. It looks pretty easy to me, so I can't say that it's not going to be easy to put together. Troubleshooting, that's cool, okay, and a little bit more about the unit itself. So just going through, and then the instructions in Spanish. So there's not a lot of instructions here, which is fine. I don't think most of us are going to read the instructions anyway. We just take it out of the box and hook it up, right? That's how I do it. So anyway, I can get this back in here. Whoa, okay, check this out. Nicely packaged, and there is a lot of weight to this. So tubes, clear chunk of rubber tubing, the clear leaf canister lid and bag, another bag. I might have to look at the instructions, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna guess this is the converter for the power supply. You know, it's like doing Christmas gifts where you put the scissors down and you can't find them. I go through that all the time. All right. Probably under here. Aha! There you go. I know. You were all like, look under the instructions. On the borate bucket. All right. Get this out of here. Yep. Okay. See, it's going to go through that hole there. I don't know if I want. Well, I guess I do. There's the power converter. It's got a nice little handle on it. That's nice and convenient. Okay, I like it. This end is going to plug in. Here's my plug. And this is going to be for the end of the power cord here. So that's going to attach like that. The other end is going to go to put this over here. There we go. So this is going to mount to a telepole here. So that's the way this works. This is going to clamp onto a telepole. So this is going to attach to the pole. Cord attaches here. The other end attaches to that converter, right? And then we have our lid with the bag inside. And take that out. There's already a bag in there, so that's cool. And this just goes on like so. And that's where this component comes in. So while this is attached to the telepole, this will attach to your regular vacuum head, right? Like so. And on there, and what you end up with is, it's actually, you know, it's not tremendously heavy. I mean, it's got a good amount of weight to it. It's built solid, but it's not heavy. And this will attach to the vac head. So I can't wait to try it out. Like I said, it's good looking. I wouldn't have a problem carrying this into somebody's backyard at all. Obviously, it doesn't have the leaf load that some of the other self-contained vacuums have, but it looks like it can change out in and out very quickly. It looks solidly made. So we'll give this a go, check it out, see what kind of results we get from it. It looks pretty cool. So thank you folks at Vac Daddy. I appreciate this too. You know what would be really cool? If somebody in the area has a hammerhead or a riptide and they have a leafy pool, for me to come out and meet you at your pool and we can actually just run them side by side and get a really, really good comparison to how this works. So if you're out there, if you're listening, if you're in my area, in Alachua County in Florida, and you have one of those pools on your route, and you do have one of those other cleaners, give me a call and let's see if we can do something side by side and see if I can keep up with the Vac Daddy. I think that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, all right, thanks Vac Daddy. I gotta put this, see, that's why we need to change the name. Thanks Vac Daddy. All right, but the product looks pretty cool. The name, I might actually, you know, call mine something else. But anyway, let me put this back in here. That comes off easy. Bag comes out easy. It's not very huge capacity, but there's the motor. But again, the speed and changing the debris out, that's what we're looking at here.